Cucumber, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus, has a rich history and diverse range of uses that have made it a staple in diets and cultures around the world. Its journey from a wild plant through a globally cultivated crop is a fascinating story of human innovation and adaptation. Native to South Asia, cucumbers are believed to have been domesticated more than 4,000 years ago in the regions of India and the Himalayan foothills. Archaeological evidence and ancient texts suggest that cucumbers were widely grown in India and later spread to the Middle East and Mediterranean through trade routes. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, highly valued cucumbers for their cooling and hydrating properties, often incorporating them into their diets and medicinal practices. The spread of cucumbers to Europe and other parts of the world was facilitated by explorers and trade during the Middle Ages. In Europe, cucumbers gained popularity among royalty and commoners alike, with records showing their cultivation in royal gardens. By the 16th century, cucumbers were introduced to the Americas by Christopher Columbus and other explorers, where they quickly adapted to the new environment. Over time, selective breeding and agricultural advancements led to the development of different cucumber varieties, ranging from smooth-skinned to spiny, and from long-slicing cucumbers to small pickling types. Today, cucumbers are grown in almost every part of the world, making them a global crop with deep cultural and culinary significance. Cucumber cultivation thrives in warm, well-drained soil with adequate sunlight. Modern agricultural practices have enabled the cultivation of cucumbers in greenhouses and hydroponic systems, ensuring year-round production. The plant's creeping vine-like structure and rapid growth make it a suitable crop for both small-scale gardens and large commercial farms. Cucumbers require consistent watering, as they are composed of approximately 95% water, making hydration critical for their development. Diseases such as powdery mildew and pests like cucumber beetles are common challenges in cucumber farming, but integrated pest management and organic practices have improved yield and sustainability. The nutritional profile of cucumbers makes them a popular choice for health-conscious individuals. Low in calories and rich in water, cucumbers are an excellent choice for hydration and weight management. They are also a source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene. Cucumbers are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support digestive health. Their high water content and mild flavor make them a versatile ingredient in salads, smoothies, and snacks. Beyond their culinary uses, cucumbers have also found a place in skincare, with cucumber extracts commonly used in creams, lotions, and face masks for their soothing and hydrating effects. Cucumbers have a wide range of uses beyond the kitchen. In the food industry, they are often pickled to create a variety of condiments, such as dill pickles and gherkins, which are enjoyed worldwide. Cucumber juice is used in beverages and detox drinks, celebrated for its refreshing qualities. The cosmetic industry harnesses the hydrating and cooling properties of cucumbers in skincare products, including toners, masks, and eye gels. Traditional medicine has long utilized cucumbers to treat heat-related ailments, swelling, and skin irritations. Their environmental benefits are also noteworthy, as cucumber plants can contribute to soil conservation and provide a habitat for beneficial insects in agricultural settings. From ancient origins to modern innovations, cucumbers remain a vital and versatile crop that continues to enrich human life in countless ways.